Chief Executive Officer of the Caribbean Examination Council, CXC, Dr. Wayne Wesley, has declared the Caribbean that is ready for electronic examinations following their implementation during the January 2026 Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate CSEC exams. Speaking at a press conference today, Dr. Wesley argued that the success demonstrates that digital examination delivery is not only viable, it's the future of the Caribbean. He provided an update on the Council's first fully electronic and hybrid examination session held in January.
In recognition of the devastating impact of Hurricane Melissa on Jamaica, CXC granted special humanitarian consideration to affected schools. A total of 708 subject entries across 29 centers, representing approximately 4% of the total entries, were permitted to complete examinations using the traditional paper-based method. This covers 12 CSEC subjects and reflects our commitment to equity and compassion in the face of natural disasters.
Dr. Wesley added that although the electronic exams posed some challenges, they did not compromise the integrity of the sessions.
Where operational issues arose, they were addressed swiftly at the center level, and with support from ministries of education, IT administrators, and technicians, or in direct collaboration with CXC. Be assured that in all cases where examinations delay occurred, candidates were not awarded the full amount or loss of time. In all cases submitted for compassionate consideration will be reviewed and processed in accordance with established procedures. No candidate will be adversely penalized as a result of the irregularities that were outside CXC or their control.